Hello my beloved scale modeling enthusiasts. It's been a nice journey with a 1/72nd scale model of Soviet tank prototype Object 279, a great armor piece from Russia. Okay, enough joking. Takom's kit is really a lovely one to build. Fitting is perfect as well as quality of molding. Couple of shortcomings didn't break my positive opinion about this set, which is highly recommended for all the enthusiasts who just don't want to build another Tiger, Sherman or T-55. Now it's time for a couple of final touches to finish this model, shall we? I started with cleaning wheels with an odorless thinner from remains of mud and dust after the wet drilling process. I'm going to paint them silver to imitate bare iron, because these parts were working rubbing from also steel tracks. It's an theoretically inconspicuous detail, but it gives our miniature a lot of realism along with sharp appearance of machine that works. Of course, painting wheels edges, we can't forget about running gears, drives brackets, idler wheels and tracks interiors. In the next step, I prepared a wet palette with acrylic paints to paint details. First, tracks pieces edges with iron color imitating steel breaking through the layer of mud. Then pale black, okay it sounds weird, to paint infrared searchlight and reflectors. Because I wanted to add some shades, I put a glaze of white and grey. Then I applied something I nearly forgot about, mixed gloss varnish to imitate glass. Yes, I forgot about this bottle because, as I mentioned in one of an earlier episode, I tried to use these paints a couple of years ago without success. But you know, this situation shows that even if something seems to be useless, it may turn out that it's useful in some case. Very smart sentence. Now, while I'm painting details like a towing cable with hooks, shovels and other stuff, giving them some shades, it's time to ask you for something. My channel is in its beginnings, thus any kind of support is highly appreciated. How you can help me? As first, subscribing to my channel along with hitting the bell icon. Secondly, clicking the thumb up button below. Thanks to it, YouTube knows that people like my content and displays my videos in propositions more willingly. Thirdly, you can share it on your social media groups if you find it helpful for your friends. In the end, you can comment this video with your thoughts. Of course, in case any questions from your side, I'll do my best to answer you. Many thanks in advance for any of these actions. In one of final touches, I covered with smoke pigment the exhaust, along with machine gun barrel and muzzle brake. Then I put engine grime to cover the turret base, as well as add some dirty marks around engine cover. To protect pigment, which is willing to fall off in any occasion, I sprayed particular parts with thin layer of varnish. I had to mount suspension. Before this, I had to remove some weathering remains so parts could fit its places. I highly recommend you to add an extra track link. Suggested by Takom number of links makes tracks mounting extremely difficult, with literally squeezing wheels held by tiny pins. Not to ruin the suspension and fall into some troubles, we should do this. I don't know any single person who counts track links in prototype times. Believe me. In the end, it only left me to add some graphite on the edges to imitate steel breaking through paint. And that's all. This is the finished model. Thank you so much guys for staying with me during this journey. It was both fun as well as valuable time for me, and I hope for you. From my perspective, couple of things could have been done better, but I'm mostly satisfied with this model. And you, how do you like the final result? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm starting the new series in 2 weeks. This time on my workbench will land a 1/48 scale Cold War jet. Wish you all the best and see you soon. Bye bye.